So over the time, see, the nature of questions have changed. And it is happening with the entire exam. You see, till 2017-18, what were the kind of essays that were asked? Every coaching, it could very easily classify the types of essays that were to be asked. Environment, science and tech, gender, religion, they could classify it very easily. Economics, environment. So they could classify it very easily because that is how the question was asked, right? Now see, most of them will say now the essays are philosophical. What does it mean? You need to study philosophy for that? What does it mean? You need to have a sense of the area or sense of the topic. You don't have to mug up. You don't need to have information related to that. You cannot write 10 definitions of that particular topic and say I've written a good essay. No. My first mains essay marks were 107 out of 200. I thought I wrote the best essay in the world. I had already won certain competitions of essay, right? National level. So I thought I was writing a good essay. The topic was globalization would finish small scale industries. I chose that topic. I wrote it very well as I felt, but I got 107 marks. Then I had a friend who is now DIG right now, right? He's very popular also on social media. I'll not take his name. So I thought he was an average student, but he got 125 marks. And that made me curious that how come this person gets 125 and I get 107? Then I asked him what was the topic. He said, no, I chose women development something. I said, okay, how did you write it? So he told me, no, I started with this and this, and then I made a diagram and this, so whatever. Next year, what I did, I reduced some level of answer writing that I was doing, right? You see, as I reduced that level, I took a topic, right, which seemed to be more contemporary, less technical, more generalized. I got 127, then 139, and eventually my fourth attempt, 147 out of 200. That's 70%. All when I understood the trend of the exam. See? So every time it is not about updating something, right? Sometimes it is about reducing something. Sometimes it is about reorienting something. Every subject. See, in mains, you can score very well if you have clarity. If you know where to end, if you know where to start. Most of us get stuck because we have a lot of things to say, right? And we want to put all that into the answer, which is not needed. You might have infinite things to say about something, right? Why do you need to write all of that in the answer? Are you understanding this logic? No need to write. Every question is designed for an adequate answer. If your answer is adequate, you get marks.